Today we are here in the South Asian Wedding Expo in Frisco Convention Center, and we are with the local talent. These people have a wonderful catwalk and made a wonderful performance. So let's talk with Mira. She is a wonderful performer. She made a wonderful catwalk here in this Frisco Convention Center.
Hi, this is Mira here. I'm representing the team Fusion, and we are totally 6 people here, and we performed for this show. We got an opportunity to perform here. It's a beautiful stage. We performed, and we did 2 songs here. And I will let Shweta talk more about our experience.
Hi, this is Shweta, and we are Team Fusion. We had a great experience over here performing, and great crowd. We do a lot of performances. We perform at private events. You can call us for weddings, birthday parties. We do choreography and we do various performances. So we are Team Fusion. We'll continue.
Hi, I think this is an amazing team. We all are working so hard, and everybody is so talented. I'm so glad and really happy. And सब लोग प्लीज़ जरूर देखिए हमारा परफॉर्मेंस. हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से हर एक कल्चर में डांस करते हैं. पंजाबी, साउथ इंडियन, हर एक जगह पे हमने अपना नाम रोशन किया है. हमने ऋतिक रोशन के साथ, माधवन के साथ भी परफॉर्म किया है. सो वी आर रॉकिंग एंड लिटरली दिस इज रियली ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड वी आर हैविंग सो मच फन. आई एम श्योर यू गाइज विल हैव फन. Definitely join us.
Thank you everyone for this opportunity. We had a pleasure doing performance over here with a great audience, and please continue to support us, and we'll continue to give our best and keep entertaining you all. Thank you.
Mira, Sweta, and the other people, the wonderful team here. So just talk about that. What kind of performance you made today, and how many people came to see this performance?
So our team, we comprise of all kinds of dances. We do salsa, bhangra, Bollywood, hip hop. We have all kinds. We have a variety. That's why the Fusion name has come into its life, given its life. And today we had about more than 100 people come and watch our show. And it was a great experience, and everybody loved our performance, and we've got great feedback, and we're looking for more. So thank you so much.
इस वक्त चलता टीवी की जानब से हम जहाँ पे साउथ एशियन वेडिंग एक्सपो जो कि फ्रिस्को कन्वेंशन सेंटर में मनक़द हुई, जहाँ पे मौजूद है. जैसा कि आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, बहुत सारे स्टॉल जहाँ पे लगे हुए हैं, और लोगों की एक बहुत बड़ी तादाद ने जहाँ पे इस एग्ज़िबिशन के अंदर शिरकत की, और जहाँ पे जो है ना बैले डांस हुआ. उसके अलावा जहाँ पे जो है ना कैट वॉक हुई,